we live, man. I just want to know, can y'all hear me okay?
Yeah, man.
Because I ain't got my headphones today.
No, I hear you good.
Matter of fact, I do have them, but I don't want to put them on. Well, what can I say? These past 2 weeks been rather crazy, huh?
Yeah, bro.
Very profitable, but
Yes.
crazy.
It's been bloody murder.
Check, mic check.
Oh, good. And
Yeah, man, I had a little session and stuff. I don't know why I booked that whole so close to 8 o'clock, ending at 8 o'clock, but I thought I was going to get up out that thing before I ended it.
it's all good.
Yeah. Let's see the what are we rejecting at a old resistance right
Yes.
now?
Looking at that, yeah. I was wondering if it was gonna, break through that and continue for buys. Um, but it rejected heavy, and now it looked like we may be able to, um, get some more continuous selling.
Yeah, I don't think it's over with. I mean, look at the high time frame. I mean, the fact that we had this bullish, somewhat of a pin bar to try to fill, but it didn't happen right at support. So that let me know that it was still movement to sell off potentially. Like it didn't happen right at support with this pin bar.
That's true.
We did close below this old support from last year, December and January. So if anything, instead of seeing this wick get filled, I would definitely see this wick get filled
Yes, first.
first.
Yep.
The only way this wick would have got filled is this week would have closed in a pin bar situation too.
Right.
Like way the fuck up here close some shit. But as of now, on the daily, I mean, we basically retraced. I expect that retrace because price did go all the way up here. So
Hey, Ant, mute that. Mute that, Ant.
And now everyone's covered in silage, right?
but we retraced all the way up. Basically, just to show proof that we still had a lot of buyers in here. I mean, right now they fighting each other. I mean, it could go right back down, but we had a lot of buyer pressure going up on this wick on Wednesday,
Mm-hmm.
but it couldn't hold. It couldn't close strong above that area. So instantly, you see the bears continue with their power and their pressure, and that's what caused that next day to just close strong bearish. But the buyers wanted to try one more time to see if they could push it up, so they didn't take out previous day highs until just now.
What you
So
mean?
this old, like from where the buyers rushed the market back up right here on Friday,
Yeah, that didn't close above that
it
previous.
didn't close above the previous day highs
Right. Okay.
until just now. Like this Sunday, it just ran across them highs. So that was like a good area for sales.
Exactly.
You know, you look at I'm gonna draw a line right there just so we can know what exactly we're talking about, and then drop down on 4 hour. And we still didn't get a close above. It tapped above there, but it didn't close above. So still at the hour. Same thing with the hour. Tapped above this area for a discount pricing or hit stop losses, whatever term you want to use. And right now, I'm waiting for this hourly to close to get into sales.
Yep. This would be a good area for it.
Mm-hmm. We're pushing 15 more minutes left.
Yeah. And that's like man.
They already broke structure twice, right
Yeah.
here, right here.
And right now it's
And it's going.
really, it's about to slap. It closed below that area where you have your cursor at. Close below that. Or you could drop down to that wick to the left if it closed below that wick. And yeah, we can continue moving all the way down to that,
Yeah.
69 flat area.
Yep. That'll be a good little take profit there. A little quick 20 pips.
And if you mess around and secure, 10 or whatever, that can continue running for the rest of this week.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, because it's going to fill his wick, bro. And that's all the little wick up you need for the weekly to just be a strong bearish candle.
Exactly. And it's like there's nothing to the left for it to like drop down, then come back up. You know what I'm saying? It's just like it's just gonna break it already close below. Like you said, those are like since last year. You know what I'm saying?
2020, nigga, 2
20
years ago.
2 years ago. So pre-pandemic type stuff. So
Yeah,
yeah,
man.
it can yeah, boy, you talk about a drop.
No, it's shit. It been doing it for the past, what, 6 weeks, nigga. Almost going on 2 months of straight dropping.
Yeah, but what that was just like, a big retest and catching that drop. Like now that it closed below and it tried to do a little small retest, like like you said, you can just continue dropping on everybody heads. It could be a good sell, but
Yeah.
have to see.
Yeah, I see what the news looking like this week.
Yeah, took a peek at it. Ain't got nothing really going on. Tomorrow, Tuesday, I think they got something light. Well, as far as like light, they only got one high news for AUD.
Gotcha.
And
Whoa,
Thursday,
check, mic check.
what's up?
What's
What's
up?
up?
What's
What's
up?
up, man?
Okay, there we go. Man, what's going on, y'all boys?
I'm good,
Y'all
brother. How you
good?
doing?
That's good. Everything good. I heard a little bit here. I ain't mean to interrupt. Just trying to make sure my mic working. It's been messed up for 2 weeks.
For real?
Yeah, man. I've been trying to. I don't know what it was. I just reset my whole PC.
Mm.
So I wiped it. I just wiped it and refreshed and added everything back I needed.
Damn. You had to go that hard, huh?
Yeah, man, because I just couldn't figure it out, and usually it don't get like that for me. Usually I'll figure it out and what I'm saying, rewire or reprocess some stuff, but no,
Right.
couldn't get. But yeah, you were saying about the news? What you was talking about the news coming out?
Yeah, I was just about to
Check the week and see. You could pull
I'm
it
about to
up and
pull
see
it
what
up
it's looking
right
like.
quick. Let's see.
Yeah, man, it's just been a lot of selling going on. A lot of selling. Any type of buys you see, they're gonna be short lived.
Man, very
Super
short.
short.
Let's see. What's this? Tomorrow at PM news we got for Australia. Tuesday got shit. Oh, the Fed. That nigga got a speech.
Wait,
At
what
1
time?
o'clock.
What time? Oh yeah, boy, that could be something. I don't like messing around with that time, and when that boy start to speaking, but
Mhm.
yeah, that's some buy or
It's the
sell
AM
stop
or
type
PM?
stuff. That's afternoon.
PM,
PM.
2
Yeah,
p.m.
yeah, he be
It's your best bet to just wait for the later Asian session to trade.
yeah, cause he be
Mm-hmm.
starting some stuff, bro.
Mm-hmm. Building permits, housing starts, whatever the fuck that is. The Australian got their employment rate coming out Wednesday. And of course, the Thursday jobless claims. And Friday, we dry for the most part.
What's Thursday? Let me see Thursday again.
Jobless claims, continuous jobless,
Continuous and initial.
initial.
Okay. Yep. All right. Yep. Yeah, man.
Same old shit.
Should be pretty nice, man.
Yeah,
I mean, and
nothing too crazy.
yeah. And with everything that's been going on, I mean, the market has been juicing, bro. Like
Nah, facts.
juicing. So it's like being patient for these setups because you getting these setups like throughout the week on higher time frame. So
Mm-hmm.
you being patient, and you easily getting like a hundred pips throughout the week if you wait a couple of days for those big moves. So, um, yeah, man, it's been something nice.
Hell yeah. I know it's been hard for the swing traders right now to catch good moves because it's just been bearish for the past month and a half.
True, which is why.
They try to catch a lot of buys, like them buys that looked like it was about to happen right when inflation rate came out.
Yes.
Yeah, they got murdered on that buy.
Oh my gosh, I got caught.
Mm-hmm.
I got out of that thing, but yeah, it got me.
But imagine when you're a swing trader and your stop loss on average is like 50 to 100 pips.
Yeah, then you would have got that 100 pip slap.
Yeah, but a lot of niggas would have went into that. Well, shit, let me move my stop loss down to 50 more pips because it can't go to 150.
And then it went
Nigga,
to
that bitch went to damn near like 400. Nigga lost
Yeah,
their
bro.
life, bro.
Yeah, man. But that's why I was like, it's good to scalp, and because over time, once you look at these moves, you can realize that you can, put your stops at like, secure a 10 and then let it run. You know what I'm
Right.
saying? And your scalps can turn into swings, at any given day.
I mean, scalping is so good. You just got to be disciplined on the currency pair you trading. Because a lot of people be trying to catch 30, 40 pips. Or not only that, they'll try to promote that they be catching 30, 40 pips on scalping, but really all they doing is just getting a fire-ass entry for like a swing trade in a way.
Gotcha.
Because it's like, it's only so much a pair can move on a scalping type of time frame, which is, I would say, anything under the hour before you get shaken out,
Right.
you know?
Right.
because it don't just go straight up and straight down. Like that bitch have all kind of retests in different periods and overextensions, trying to hit stop losses, whatever the case may be.
I mean, that's why it's always key when you enter a trade or when you setting up for a trade is to see where your target, where your exit point is.
Mm-hmm.
Like don't just get in, just to see where the ride, where it's gonna take you.
Right.
You know.
Now you heard about and shifting a little gears, but that cryptocurrency Terra Luna.
What happened there?
We're fucking. They basically lost all their value.
Wait, who is that?
Terra Luna. There's a Luna coin, Terra Luna.
Uh-uh.
Yeah, they were pretty big. I think they was I forgot what they were designed for. But I think it was like to be like cross-chain shit with different cryptos, kind of like how Polygon is. And I guess their biggest bread and butter situation about their coin was they had a stable coin, and it being that the dollar has been fluctuating so much with the interest rates and all that, a lot of stable coins can't keep up. Like the Tether, the USD, they said that is about to drop under 99 cents, and it's never supposed to do that. Right? It's supposed to stay at $1. But I guess with the people moving crypto out, and then the dollar is gaining more value because they just keep printing it and raising interest rates. Like they can't compete with that shit.
Yep.
So it's throwing the shit out of whack. And then all this money that's supposedly locked up in these stable coins are maybe getting moved away. People selling them, transferring. I don't know what the fuck. And yeah, them niggas. And so what happened was I forgot what their value was. Maybe it was like $12 a coin, 20. I don't know, 100 maybe. But it went all the way down to like, I want to say like 11 cents, 4 cents or some shit.
Oh my god.
They got delisted from all the big exchanges, and then 2 days ago or yesterday or today, they got relisted on Binance, and in 1 day jumped 1,000%.
See what I'm saying?
But through all that shit, niggas starting to talk about they about to investigate the owner of Terra Luna. Like he might be under some problems.
Wild Wild West, bro. That's why I always tell people with that crypto shit. It's too, it's early.
It's too new, man.
Yeah.
It's real fresh.
It's real risky.
Mm-hmm.
Hella risky.
Yeah. Then you got, you know what I'm saying? Everything's trying to get regulated, for it to be regulated. It's like going through gotta go through all this stuff, But yeah, man, it's
like I said, the concept of it is dope, but it's just like, man,
right.
I mean, you gotta just just take it for what it is, bro. Like niggas don't even know who invented Bitcoin. Like this big, massive thing. Like they still don't know who invented it, who started it, whatever the fuck. It's like all a secret. So it's like, who could have, nigga? Anybody could have done that shit, nigga.
Mm-hmm.
Like it could be U.S. government created Bitcoin. Who the fuck knows?
We know where it all pop off at.
Shit, I don't even know, bro. I'm gonna keep it real. I got my ideas, but that shit, that's way above a nigga thinking right now. Like, I ain't trying to worry about that shit.
Right.
I'm trying to see why the fuck Australian dollar dropping so hard, like it's about to go for another run.
Yeah, bro. It is. I mean, it's nothing. I mean, you have nothing to the left on the daily time frame. Yeah, bro. Like it's screaming for sales. Screaming. And then you got like wonderful range down to like 68, bro. Like to fill that wick. You talking about 68 cents? It didn't hit that till, like you said, July of 2020.
So it's going for a real low then.
No, it's
Oh yeah.
going. It's going, bro.
I mean, if you really want to go to like a low,
Don't
this is
no, don't what?
right
Don't
here.
no, bro.
And guess when that happened? In 2020.
Mm.
Oh damn, yeah, March. Yeah,
Look, that
that's
bitch dropped all the way down to 56 cents, nigga.
56.
Come on, bro.
So if I hold this sale,
Yeah. Yeah, nigga, you could buy Australia.
oh, so I mean, and this was like, you know, you see these moves on like the 15 and the hourly. You know, you look for this
Let me
stuff.
get
Once
the
you start
weekly.
seeing these moves on the weekly and the daily and stuff like that, like especially on the weekly, because like I said, on the daily you can't really see anything. You gonna have to, you gonna have to squint your charts down, like Six got it up right now. I
What
got the
the fuck
daily
is
up on my
C?
big screen, and I have to scoot it over to the left to see what's going on.
No, facts.
So
60,
I mean,
69. Oh, it went
you
straight through that.
you literally you got potential to catch some fire sales, bro. And like I said, when I was talking about short lived for buys,
Yeah.
when I mean short lived, I'm talking a couple of days now because you selling heavy on a weekly time frame. So your retest is going to be on the daily, the 4 hour. So you have potential to get some really, really sweet buys, but
Right.
make sure you have it at a nice resistant area, or not even like right at the resistance. I would put it like a little bit before it, so for sure you go secure those profits. Because as soon as it hits it, it's gonna turn around heavy. Because it's not. I mean, you talking about for structure to be broken on
Right.
this on this bullish, I mean bearish market. You talking about 75 cent for it to turn back around on the weekly. And even then, that's kept. Like you talking about a close above 80%. I mean 80 cents on the weekly for it to be like, okay, it's
Yeah,
we
this
we really like. So yeah, bro, this
that's the lowest it been right here. I don't know if y'all can see that.
where is that? That's at 50 cents, 54. What that is?
54, 52,
And when was
uh,
that?
2002, the year after I graduated high school, motherfucker.
Yeesh.
Oh
Hey,
boy.
real quick pause for a second. The Mavericks is
Hey, bro.
blowing
Hey,
Phoenix,
bro.
bruh.
Oh,
This
for real? I'm not even
bro.
watching it.
116 to 72
Oh my God.
Yeah,
with
bro.
4 minutes left.
I don't know what they
Oh my, what is this? Like,
I don't
did
know
Oh
what
my
they
God, boy. What
what
the hell
juice
happened?
I don't know
I
what juice they drinking over there.
I didn't
What's the
even
series right now?
This
this
is a
it. This
game
game
7.
7.
That's what
Oh,
I'm
yeah, that's it. Oh, they came to play.
You know what? You know what? No, 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 no. Nope, that's not it. That's not it. Okay, no. Yes, they came to play.
Dallas came to play.
But Phoenix,
Phoenix couldn't match the
they
energy.
sleep.
Yes, they couldn't
They are
match the energy.
sleep, bro. And
Yeah.
the crazy thing, bro, like I feel bad for Chris Paul, but then again, it's just like, bro, like,
It felt like they ran out of gas.
yeah,
If it really felt like they ran out of gas, and
Huh,
the
huh,
team
huh.
only went as he went, and he
he
couldn't get
can't
him.
keep up. He
Yeah, he's
old.
37.
He 37,
He's
bro.
30. They need him to run the team and get the ball to book.
Say, bro,
And
you know when I knew it was over? When
but
when Brunson was
oh,
was posting Chris
was
Paul up, like, give me the
bodying
ball.
him.
Bro, he was hurting him.
Jason Kidd figured that out. Jason Kidd said everybody post up him. Break his.
Boy,
They said break his little back. They hitting the 119. They hitting the threes. Everybody hitting, bro.
121. Yeah, that's dirty. That's dirty what they doing to him.
Yeah.
Empty the bench. Did he do it already? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
He said all them boys.
That's what
down.
it is. The bench is doing it now. That's crazy.
26.
Oh, but on the other note, I'm in sales right now, and we are flunching.
Yeah.
Nah, big facts.
I'm
I'm jumping in one. I'm jumping in one right now. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Yeah, I mean, you
I'm
easily could get 10 pips out of this.
real quick. That and I just was looking because I'm like, man, it's moving. I'm just looking for the right.
I mean, right now, if you're saying you're looking for the right, I would easily go down to the 5 minute. You look at the
Yeah.
5 minute, and I will wait till this candle to close on a 5 minute,
Right.
and you can see it's kind of trying to jump up or whatever right now. It got every right to jump back up to the 69.25, 69.30 area.
Right.
By all means, if you do that, that's cool. But let's say, boom, 60.
Yeah, I could see that 69.30.
Yeah,
Retesting up here.
retesting there. But if not, then
It's just gonna sit and
Yes,
it's gonna slide.
I
It's gonna
will
be on the,
wait.
it's gonna be on the hill.
I will wait for it to close below this next little, well, it's really small, but if next rejection area like 69 flat, let it close below there, and then it's going.
Yeah.
That's on the 5 minute
Yeah.
though.
It's gonna put his
On the
hands
5
up and
minute.
just go wee.
Yes.
I'm telling.
Bush Gardens.
I'm telling.
Nah, for
Flash
real.
pass. The flash pass.
Yeah,
You
let me
gotta
go
wait in
again.
line.
Oh,
Then
y'all
you gotta
still
wait in
waiting? I'm
line.
going again. I'm going again. Yeah,
No, for real.
I see it.
But, yeah, bro. I might mess around and hold this sucker for the week, bro. I want a big one.
Yeah, nigga.
Right. I have yet to do that on I've done it on the tester numerous times, but
Right.
I want to see what it's about on a, you know what I'm saying, on something that got some leverage on it,
This is gonna definitely change your life.
It's gonna change my life, and the crazy thing is, though, I've been building confidence over time by putting those testers on and saying, like, okay, like when you got a breakout or
You
know
just
what I'm
gotta,
saying,
hey, you really just gotta have faith in yourself and in your cause.
you
Like,
got
yeah, y'all told me that, like, you know what I mean? Because
Big
it's
facts.
like, you may miss, one or two, but when you sting,
that's it, and that's
yeah,
it. And the
you know
ones
what I
that you
mean?
miss,
They not
they
even, you ain't even gonna, you just gonna be like, okay, I see what I did there, and you
exactly,
just
Right.
gonna
and it's
start
not
stinging
major.
more and more.
Yep.
Yeah,
Yeah.
bro, I've been watching y'all, like y'all hitting them, like just keep going with how y'all doing it, bro. Like
No, for
it's
real.
working.
Yeah, most
I
definitely.
say my biggest credit to finding good to decent setups is me working on the ability of waiting for candles to close. Like that used to
Right.
be my hardest thing. I used to jump in. Like right now, I would have gotten to a sale right now, but I gotta at least wait for one of these 5 or the next 5 or 15 minute, really 15 minute. I go in on a 5 minute candle wise building because I already know what the potential it can do.
That's true.
But the 15 minute, yeah, I want to wait. Like, yeah, this was a perfect. I ain't gonna lie, I basically admit this move, but it was a 69.22 would have been a good entry right when it broke the low of this previous 15 minute.
Uh-huh.
That was a good sell right there because you could have put your stop loss above here, which is not far away.
Right.
Actually, it's a 10 pip. Yeah, 10 pip stop loss, and then you go for like 20 down here.
See, my thing was I got in on the 5 minute once it turned around, and I got in on that 5 minute, which was what's that?
Where
30. Yep, that one right there, at 2035 to the left. One more, the first big one that broke out of that.
right here.
Yes, when that one closed,
Got you.
I got in right there because I looked to the left. I was like, okay.
Yeah, when you see that close, one thing what stood out, it broke this low, these lows, and these
all
lows.
in one candle.
It left a wick and it still didn't get to this low. So it's like not only do you have a target, but you got a wick to fill, you got momentum. Like, yeah, that was a good trade. That was a real good entry. And your main target is gonna be down here, like 69 flat.
Yep.
Or near that area. And if not, put your stops, break even, and wait for the next setup.
Facts. I see it. What's so crazy, bro, when we started doing these Sunday sessions, there were hardly no setups as far as like, you know what I'm saying, like the market and stuff like that. Like,
yeah, it was very, very, very slow. The only setups we was trying to look for and trying to find was like on a 1-5 minute. Real talk.
Yeah.
And it was like 5 pips, 10 pips max. But
yeah, shit is crazy.
But as we keep doing it, we'll be aware of the market changes when shit shifts. Like right now, how interest rates going up and the fucking inflation rate going up, job rates going crazy. Like it's a new time because this happened before. History repeats itself, but the GDP wasn't where it was back in the day, nigga. Real estate wasn't where it was back in the day. They didn't have Bitcoin back in the day, so it is different time.
Money wasn't worth, you know what I'm saying?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Niggas ain't buying Lamborghinis for $1 million. Like all shit shifting, like car prices and values going up, just like real estate.
Boy, I saw old, what it was, like a 2009 Honda Accord or something like this, just sitting on the side of the street, and it had like spray paint on it for sale. I drove past it. That sucker was going for $8,500. I'm like, damn, boy.
Yeah, bro, because niggas need a nice car.
Boy.
Shit, guess what's going for what they said? 100, like starting at 100 bands. Like it's hard to find them, but only people who willing to just lose money on gas is buying them. But remember them old Ford Excursions?
Yes.
Yeah, nigga, 100 bands.
Yeah, I mean those. I was watching the auctions. I used to look at the auctions all the time. That's like a hot car, bro. Like, they're not making it anymore. They built for it tough. You know what I'm saying? Like, and they freaking huge.
Right.
Like, they fucking buses.
All diesel. And diesel high as shit right now.
Yeah, so they can have all that shit. That's why you see all these electric cars. That's what I'm saying. They trying to get them up out of there, but that's gonna be I get that another 4 to 5 years at least.
Yeah, take profit about to get hit right now.
Yep. I already moved it. It's gonna break through that. I moved my take profit. I got it at take profit too, man. 68.75. That's the next area. And this is we still naked over here, man. I ain't got nothing on the chart. Straight PA.
I seen some of the video playback from the summit.
Yeah.
It looked nice though. It looked like they had a good success.
Yeah. I mean, what I like more than anything, it wasn't crowded. Like, it was
Facts. I was about to say that too. Like it was like a nice little event. Like it was a lot of people, but it wasn't like 20,000 motherfuckers out there.
Yeah. So only thing that I got from, because I'm looking at the tickets, I'm like, wait, hold on, man. Like, why they was running it up so much? But I realized like the shit was in the convention center in Miami, so it's like they had to make some money from, you know what I'm saying, from putting down on that space. But for what it was worth, everybody that they said that was on the bid was there, other than Roger. That was kept. They weren't getting there. They weren't getting no Roger though. But yeah, man, It was nice though. It was nice. It was something that if I was able to do it, I would have definitely
No, facts.
FXBros would have been in the building, but there'll always be another one. Probably be a better one next time.
Oh yeah, it's gonna only get better.
I like where you got that curse at right now.
Come on, man. I
Yeah.
just put my shit where,
Mhm.
just realizing supports. I'm trying to
Yeah.
see if that 4 hour gonna break that area,
Mhm.
switch some shit around. It already broke it here, but this is the retest break. Breakout, retest. See how long that shit took? I mean, this is a retest too. This wick up, a lot of people say that's the retest, but this is like a stronger, more understandable, more patient retest.
You said how many pips I could get?
I
A
mean,
million?
Shh. I just
Bro.
got me a quick 10.
I'm telling
Come on,
you.
man.
While we live, I'm
While we
just
live.
saying, FX bros, I just want to let y'all know.
Yeah.
While we live,
I'm saying,
come on,
bro.
man. He told me what I could do. He said I can get 10.
Telling you.
Look, I went on
telling
and
you.
tied them shoes up, laced them up.
And
Put
so,
them tennis
did I
shoes
tell
on. I
you?
gotta
Did I
be
tell
real
you how I
quick.
was gonna smash through that first take profit?
Let me tell you something. I
It
got
straight
10
broke through
real
that.
quick. These boys is
Yeah,
snipers,
bro.
man. Y'all better come on.
Come on, bro. We
Stop
breaking this
playing with
shit down.
yourself.
Did I have this line up before?
I'm telling you, man. It just and
While we
the whole
live,
thing
I'm
is
just
about being consistent with this, and then
there
over
you go.
time, bro, it's like, but bro, this is the time that you enjoy this. This is the process right here, though.
Ooh, that bitch gone.
Oh,
Yeah, it's stinky.
that's on the fit.
I might take another little sit on the pot real quick.
Hey man, I'm gonna tell you like this. I will catch that retest up, but yeah, that was a
Right.
fire ass entry.
That was
Like how a
man.
nigga broke it down, like even on a daily, bro. Like you see all this little manipulation. First, the manipulation was this. This was inflation rate, I think, right? May
Yes.
3rd. Yeah, that was
Yes.
inflation rate news. It came right back down,
Yep.
plus more. People thought like this was the buy of a lifetime. Like we about to take this bitch all the way up here.
Man, you
But
ain't
no, it
lying.
came all the way down here. Then we had another push for I want to say NFP or something. Something pushed up here.
That wasn't NFP.
That wasn't NFP.
No.
No, this was NFP. Yeah, that was there. This was NFP. But this was just whatever the hell it was. I guess it was just market trying to retest up. But the bulls could not keep price
Oh, that
up
was
here
Thursday.
to close.
That was Thursday, huh?
No, this is Friday. This green is Friday, so
Okay,
that was
okay.
Wednesday. Something came out Wednesday, and it was a lot of news last week.
Yeah, that's true.
But yeah, and with that continuation, the Bears pushed it all the way down below all them lows from last year. And what they could have done, they could have like wicked down and closed above here. But this strong close down here let you know that we still in control. So the Bulls gonna be like, all right, bet it's finally you gotta be done now. So let me try it up again. Let me build it up again. But as we see, we was only coming to take out the recent highs from this past day because this candle really was supposed to do it. If this was going to be a real strong bullish candle, it would have closed above this high and then it would have filled this wick.
Right.
Like right now, we would have been seeing that wick get filled because the bulls from last week would have closed above this high on this candle, and then we would have been bullish. But as you can see, market took out the high, didn't close above, and now we halfway through this candle.
Now,
And
if that daily, I just want this daily, what it's forming right now. I want it to close below that previous daily candle, and then I'm good for the week. I sit on this one trade for the week.
Now, facts. It's bro, you got very high probability that happened. What the reason why I say that? This whole daily candle is however many pips it is. This candle is pretty much halfway through that hole.
Yeah.
Already.
Yeah. Already. It's not even Monday yet.
Yes, it's Sunday.
That's what I'm saying. Already, it's already halfway through. So that's just like, come on, man. Read the table of contents. It'll tell you what's going on in the book.
Mm-hmm. A nice analogy. I mean, and just like what you said, the like you gotta trade in probables. Like you can't just like I wanted to do this. I wanted to. You're like, what's the probability that's gonna do this? Like,
Right.
look at the zones. Like how you said, the reason why it didn't go bullish from that one daily where it caught everybody. If you look where it was rejecting right here, yeah, where you got it at, you look to the left, that's not a strong area of support that it bounced off of. It just did that.
Facts.
You know what I'm
But they
saying?
tried, but what it was trying to do, it was trying to make people think it was rejecting off of these lows
Mm-hmm.
because it went below all these lows. If you look, it went below, like it bounced right here. So that's below this, and this. But it's close enough to this. But it ain't that. It still got more price to go to. So with that being said, it pushed up and like, oh yeah, this the low. It's the low because it didn't take out this low. So that would make this low the strongest low for a long ass time because it didn't get taken out. But as we can see, market turned right back around and took that bitch out and then kept dropping some more. So
yeah, bro.
Like I said, you gotta just look at the context clues, man. It'll tell you what it's trying to do. You know, you let shit like this happen because, like we said, when this happened, what we said, it wasn't bullish until it passed up here.
Yep.
It could have went all the way up here and stopped right here and turned back around, nigga. We still in the bearish market based off of this trend right there.
Yep. It would have had to take out all the way up there, like
facts.
all
Because
the way
we was
up.
bullish, we was bearish, like for real bearish. Once we crossed this, when you had this little swing high, and then it get broken right there, that's where it started to turn bearish. Because really, this could have been just like this swing up, this swing up, this swing up. This move could have been the same thing. It could have been pushing all the way bullish, but it didn't.
Thanks.
Got this low taken out. Same right here. Got this low taken out. And but I said, even if this price would have went all the way up here, turned right back around and took out these lows, like, yeah, still bearish. Shit just likes to trick niggas.
Once again, man. I mean, it's getting real easy. I wish it would have been something. Yeah,
Nah,
I
for
mean,
real.
when you going with the flow of things, like these trades will get really, really, really easy, man.
Because the same thing happens every day.
Every day.
Every day.
You just gotta catch the right time.
You gotta catch the right time. You gotta be patient. If you miss it, cool. You know what I'm saying? Miss it. No
Wait for the
trade.
Sundays
Man,
on
shout
with
out
the
to Mark
FX
Douglas.
Bros, and then that's when you get them. You know,
Straight up, or at least you can see what it is for the week. You know what I'm saying? But just like Mark Douglas said, man, no trading is like depositing money into the bank if you don't trade for the day. You know what I'm saying? You ain't losing nothing. You securing stuff. You know what I'm saying? You ain't putting nothing on the line.
Keeping what you made last week and last month. You
Yes.
keeping that.
Yes. You put money in the bank. Because I'm telling you, it's gonna be a better move. You looking at this like, oh man, this is crazy. I caught this. Yeah, bro, it's gonna be something that's gonna smash this. And you wanna know why? Because you gonna have more dudes going into the war for you. You gonna have
And I'm
more,
glad you said that, bro. Think about all the people who missed this sale.
and they think that they slapping
yeah,
themselves.
But look what's happening right now.
Come on, right back to it.
Come on, bro.
Back to it.
Yeah.
How long it took you to wait, nigga? This the 11th. They're going to the 12th.
Just give it a couple days. You know, your money's
13th.
gonna be there.
Couple days. About a couple days going on a Friday. You know,
you be there.
Spend some time with your family on the weekend. Then what Sunday give you? Another
sit down
opportunity.
And go ahead and eat.
Yep.
The same move.
Yep. No, like that's really, really big facts, bro. Because that's what's really important.
No, it's a lot of people would have tried to catch this,
and they would have been mad, just like you said. They would have. wouldn't have spent time with their family. They would have been mad with their family. No, I'm mad. I missed this move. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to do nothing. I don't want to do nothing. You know what I'm saying? Then they turn around. They're going to end up missing this move because right now they try to get it to buys.
Man, like I said, you don't want to. You have to have the strongest rule-based system when you're trying to catch, or when you're trying to change your bias. If you think it's selling off, stick with that bias until the charts show you different. And the only way the charts will ever show you a different direction is when candles close in a different direction, not when they going in a different direction, because they could go wherever they want to go. But as long as it closed, that's where the chapter ends and the next chapter begins. Like, you'll never know what the fuck gonna happen until that bitch closed. Real talk.
Yeah, well said.
So that bitch will be moving and all of a sudden turn right back around on your ass.
Well said.
So nobody should be trying to look for buys and trying to catch the low. Like, fuck trying to catch the low.
Get in line.
Yeah. You don't look like this low right here. You didn't know this was the low until this higher low didn't get tested or didn't get mitigated or ran below. When this low was created, that's when you know this is the strongest low. Because all this shit don't mean nothing. This shit could go all the way up here, turn right back around, take this low out. So now it's not the strongest low no more. You see, we swung up here and went higher, but all we did was went right back to this little resistance area right here.
Yeah, bro, we running this one. We running this one.
Yeah, that bitch flying. Ooh, I would have wanted to sell from up there, boy. I ain't gonna cap. I would have sold because I was watching all this go. When the market opened right here, when I saw this red, this bearish candle close, I was expecting for more selling to come through. But once I saw this, I was like, damn, it's about to try to run up to these highs over here from last week, from that previous daily high, and I saw that shit, but I was not in front of my laptop. And I can gladly say that because I know I'm going to catch another one. But yeah, that's right there. Oh, yeah, that's butter.
Look at that slip and slide. Look at it.
It's still going.
Look at it.
Gonna feel this wick too.
The hand's still up in the air.
Yeah, bro.
68.90.
Fun world.
Nah, for real.
Bro, I caught 10 pips. If I would have stayed, I could have easily caught 30.
Come on, man. You'll learn.
I got in at 69.
I'd rather you have a whole year catching 10 pips and let that shit get burnt in your head or how powerful that is before you even try to catch 30, 40, 50, 80, 100 pips. Like, damn all that. If you could catch 10, you will be doing what me and Jay wish we could have done 3 years ago.
Right.
I'm telling you.
Like, have fun with 10. Like, don't even worry about catching all them pips. Like, when you see 10, take that shit and put it in the bank. Like, and just keep getting 10. Keep getting 10.
Overall, it just brought my account into the positive. So I like that.
Come on, man.
Come on, boy.
My overall just went positive off them 10. So I'm like, okay, I see it.
Come on, bro. Just little bitty increments, bro. You're gonna be probably like this time next year, you're gonna be like, bro, I really think I could quit. Like, not next week, not next month. Like, yeah, give it that strong after you really start getting it and shit clicking, and you like how JB talking, like, bro, this shit easy. Yeah. Like, as he only saying it because nigga been doing this shit for 4 years and been through a whole long time of drawdown and losses.
Yeah.
But once you really kick out all the damn distractions and bullshit and really just treat it like a real business, you know, and you gotta monitor expenses, you gotta monitor profit, you can't be too risky, all that shit, just like in a real business. Like, it's the same fucking thing.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, you go definitely. I mean, yeah, you way ahead of us in a sense of saying like the 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 support and confidence that you gain in early.
Nah, facts, bro. No nonsense trading.
Yeah,
It would
exactly.
never lead you in the wrong direction. Like
Facts.
you go learn all the shit that we went through for 4 or 5 years. You go get the good shit, and we go leave out all the bad, meaningless shit. Like thanks to us.
Look, hey, check this out though. Mackenzie just walked up on me and she was like, "What is all that again? It's a buy and what's the other thing?
See, not
Buy
that
and sell."
and
All I had to do was tell her, "You see me? It's on both screens on here." So,
and
man,
I'm telling you, bro. Like,
at
see, that's
7, come on,
generational,
yes
bro.
sir, yes sir, yes sir. What's that again, Daddy? What's that again? I gotta get it for a reason.
Boy,
Cause if I
Come
can
on,
get it, I
man.
can teach it.
yes,
Come on, bro.
dog.
They ain't gonna teach it in school.
Man,
Facts.
man, she gonna get in school and they gonna be like, "What? She's too smart for this."
No.
Facts.
I need to learn multiply.
You will.
Yeah, you gotta
Trust
learn
gonna
multiply.
multiply
So you
for
gonna
you,
learn
baby girl.
Yeah.
compounding too.
Oh yeah.
You
Oh,
gonna learn compounding.
big. Yeah. We stacking on top. Okay, so
I
what we
love it.
doing? We look like we we're gonna retest all the way up or what?
I'm gonna say
Honestly,
right now, if it wants to go up, it's gonna have to fight a whole lot to even come up. Like I wouldn't be I wouldn't be scared for it to come up to this area, like passing this green candle. But the real test is coming up here.
Right.
If it come up here, then yeah, we could be in due for a reversal. But this is the 5-minute chart. I'm just looking at incremental moves in the market. Like if you want to look at the bigger time frame, the owl has said, "Fuck you, get out the way. I'm coming down. Don't even talk to me about no reversal."
even
So
a 15 minute, like man, y'all capping reversal.
no. Even right here, this is an indecision candle. Yeah, it closed green, but it wanted to go up, wanted to go down. Like, where you want to go? I need more proof. I need to read this story a little bit longer. So you got to print out these candles and let me know. What you thinking, Jay? Continuation? Mm-hmm.
Oh, you sniped that entry, my boy.
Sure did. Look at it. Oh, look at it.
Yeah, you sniped that entry, boy.
I said, is this gonna be a continuation or what?
Yeah.
Yep. Ooh. Man, if it does,
I mean, look at it like this. You There is nothing to the left for it to be rejecting right now on the 5 minute.
exactly.
You know,
It is on the hourly though.
On the hour.
true.
Were you on 15? Let me see.
It shows better on the hourly, but like you said, you for one, you gotta wait for this hour to close to see if it's really gonna reject.
That's true.
So it could close right now like it is at 9:59, and I still feel like with all this big, powerful candles, these adjacent to these smaller candles, like it got all the momentum it needs to fill. Any type of wick is gonna leave for it to fill, because that's how wicks get filled on momentum.
I mean, look at and this was one of my things. Like you see on that hourly chart how you have it, and look at the bottom that it created. You see how those two solid candles side by side that
Right there
happened at the
next to each
bottom,
other.
right there next to each other, no wick or nothing. That was at the. You see what I'm talking about? 6. You could move that cursor over there to where at the bottom. No, on the
Right.
hourly.
Oh, yeah, right there.
Right? No, at the very bottom.
Yeah.
There's no wick or nothing right there. That's not a strong point. It's gonna break through that easily.
Yeah.
That is no.
Yeah, because the market don't do that.
The market does not do that.
Yeah, the market don't just stop, don't go lower, turn around, buy up, don't go lower. Yeah, it don't like. And it's crazy how you can say you don't look at all these candles and look at the wicks on them.
That's what I'm saying.
So
Yeah.
would you bet that a candle is gonna have a wick or it won't have a wick like this one? You go bet that it will have a wick. So with that being said, you know this is some dumb shit. So if it closed like this, then you know like it gotta get tested, it gotta get mitigated, and that's exactly what's probably possibly gonna happen this week.
Yep. And they ain't gonna get tested. It's gonna get slapped.
Nah, facts.
It's gonna get slapped, bro.
Nah, for real.
And it's eating. It's eating right now.
Yeah, man. This is Sunday's been looking good, boy.
Sunday has been crazy. Like Sunday, look, like, I'm telling you, these past 3 weeks.
That's why I said, man, I've been having to go back and watch the videos on YouTube, and I'm like, man, like
Bro,
then when
Sundays-
I remember through the video, it's like I missed.
let me put it like this. Like right now, it's been like super running it up until I get to the point where it's like, okay, financial freedom type level. And this past 3 weeks, these Sundays have been enough to be like, I'm done for the week. Like that's what it's been. So that's when I be like, dang, that is it's kind of scary, it's crazy, but you know what I'm saying? I'm still after it.
Hey, bro. Eventually, yeah, that big money gonna be rolling through. It's gonna be like, bro, I never made this in a month, and I'm making this in a day.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's gonna start rolling through, and you can't. I ain't gonna say be scared of it, but you can't be worrisome about this increase because it's a business, and no business in America said, "Oh, we made enough money on Monday. Let's close for the rest of the week."
Never heard of that.
Never.
Yeah.
So if the markets is open, FXBros is open. Real talk.
Let me write that down. I'm about to write that down right now.
Yeah, man. Open for business.
Bro, we gotta get somebody to say we getting pips.
Yeah.
Yeah, I ain't got that feature on here. You did. I just got
a record.
Yeah.
Oh
yeah, there it is. Yeah.
Much love.
I just got that. You know. Here we go.
Yeah.
Yeah, we in there. We live. You know. We live.
Yeah, man. So what y'all as we about to wrap up this whole, what y'all saying for the rest of the week? Do you think more sales? I mean, the Sunday is kind of like giving you a heads up.
Yeah, it's trying to, for me, let me go back. What else am I looking at?
Look at the daily, the weekly, like
okay, I'm gonna say this for sure. It's going to fill that weekly wick
right here. This wick,
yes, it's going to do that. That's my number one bias. So
I feel you.
If it does,
and you know what? I feel that this buy right here grabbed enough liquidity to make that happen for it to break all these lows.
Yeah.
It broke all these lows from last year. That little buy right there that pushed up and tricked the fuck out of all these sellers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then turn right back around. Yeah.
So
I agree with you on that one, G. So
yeah.
So we all agree we looking to see this weekly candle get filled on the wick. So we should see nothing but selling continuation, and we won't change that bias unless I would start to change or think about a bias if we get a close above this wick right here. If we get a close
Right,
above
for it
this
to going
wick,
back, okay.
yeah, I wouldn't say we bearish. I mean bullish. I'm not gonna say we bullish if we close above, but I'm gonna start to think like, what's the possibility? What it look like if we did close bullish for the week? But if we close above here, then yeah, we possibly turning bullish. Like for real. Like I'm 80%.
Yeah, because down there at that first candle, like you said, they might try to trick you. And as soon as everybody start getting in right there,
right? Because it bounced here before, and it bounced off of support, now resistance. So it you would expect it to possibly bounce from there again, but you can't put the whole house on it like that. You just gotta wait for that candle to close and see what it do.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Yeah,
we're
bro.
looking good this week.
Oh yeah. We're gonna keep it positive and profitable, just like we did last week, and keep in touch and let everybody know what y'all see in the markets, what kind of shifting you see, and so we'll keep each other updated, man.
Yes,
In the Telegram.
You
already know it.
All right, man. Y'all boys be safe. Good. Yes, sir.
We'll be
same to you, brother. Y'all be good, baby.
Yeah. I'll holler at y'all later.
For sure. Peace.